What's up, guys? It's your girl P, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am beyond excited. Like, you guys have no idea. This was literally torture driving home smelling this. Today I'm doing Indian food. I got some chicken seguala. Don't butcher me for my pronunciations. I've never had chicken seguala before. I've had curry chicken. I've had chicken tikka masala. Anyways, it's all amazing. I love Indian food. I also got some little baby samosas, and I got giant naans. I'm so excited. This was actually recommended from my boyfriend's. He has a friend from India at work, and he recommended this place. I've been looking for a good Indian place around here, and there's one not too far away from me, but apparently this one's really good. So we're gonna go with this one. And then we're drinking Mountain Dew Baja Punch. This was like a limited edition flavor. I don't think they have it anymore, but it's like if you have Baja Blast from Taco Bell or anything, or just like in the store, it's like that. It's very similar to Baja, but it's almost like a little bit more fruity, like tropically. Yeah, anyways, so excited, guys, so excited. So this, I didn't bring any freaking napkins. I am the dumbest person right now. What's new? Okay, let's open up this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've never had this before, and this is what he recommended to the guy, my boyfriend's guy that he works with. This is what he recommended. Or chicken curry, but I've had chicken curry literally a billion times, so I was like, look at the heat off of that. So I was like, I will try this. And then these are the cutest little samosas. And then they have like this little, I don't know what type of dip this is, but it smells like cilantro. Yeah, and like cilantro, definitely. So if anybody wants to tell me what the heck that is, that'd be great. Also, I'd love to hear recommendations for Indian food. I literally love Indian food. Love Indian food. At my other job, I actually worked with a couple of great girls from India, and oh my goodness, when they brought in food, amazing. One of the girls, her name was Vishwa. She was amazing. Great cook too. Every single time she would bring something in, she would always come to me and ask if I want some, and I'm like, absolutely. I am never gonna turn that down in a million years. So even the naan, it's just so good. So I'm gonna try to show you guys this a little bit. Ooh, it's like tippy. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know. If you don't know what it is, go look it up, because I don't even know what it is, but I'm gonna eat it. And I know there's like chicken chunks in here. Ooh, it's hot. And I know you're just like going with your phalanges. Wow. And I got medium heat, because the guy was like, you better tell your girlfriend to be careful, like Indian food's hella spicy. And I'm like, I love Indian food, I've had it before, and it does get really spicy, but I didn't get mild. I got medium or a step up from that. And it's spicy, but like, oh, it's so good. And like, I've never seen anybody eat this with a fork, so that will not be me. Man, this is so good, guys. Look how big these naans are. Like, that one's even bigger. Like, look at this thing. That's crazy. That was only like $2 for that whole NAAN piece. These whole pieces of NAAN. It was actually pretty good pricing, to be honest. I thought it was gonna be more, but. That is so good, guys. Like, wowie. I honestly don't know if I've ever had a samosa this small in my entire life. What did I get? I think I got veggie. I think. We're gonna dip it in this little sauce. I think that goes with it. It was in the bag, I'm guessing, like. Amazing. I'm so starving, guys. I've been waiting so long to eat. I went shopping after work with my NAAN. Christmas birthday shopping. My birthday's on Monday, December 12th, so. I've been so busy. I'm not doing anything. Like, I don't even remember it's my birthday. But, birthday time. I forget how many people they're supposed to feed too. I was gonna do another dish, but then I was like, my boyfriend can't eat this, so I was just like, I'll just get one. I'm like, I'll still have leftovers for tomorrow, even though I wanted to try more. I'm not being greedy, you know? So. Nikocado Avocado loves Indian food. I always see him doing it. I'm like, honestly, I'm about to start because this shit good. I want to try a piece of the chicken. Is it like boneless? Oh, I think it's boneless. Oh yeah, going with the NAAN. Going in with the NAAN bread around the chicken. It's a big piece of chicken. Should I like break the chicken? Feel like take a bite. The chicken's so soft and tender. Ooh. Wow, that's amazing. That's so good. So good. I wore jeans to sit down and do this video. Let me tell you, that was the wrong decision. They're already digging into me just from me sitting down. And now I can feel my stomach getting larger and digging extra hard. Let me know, guys, if you guys want me to, like, try different foods from like different countries, different cultures, different everything. Like, I love food. Like, I'm not picky. I ate a whole NAAN already. One samosa down. Guys, this is so good. Like, I seen this girl on TikTok not too long ago, and she said, if I had to change the color of my skin and my ethnicity to something else or different culture, she was like, I would be Indian, 100%, just because of the food. She goes, 100%. She goes, they got the best shit in. I was dying. It's so true. I love Indian food. But like, I also don't know like Indian dishes that don't have like a little bit of spice in them. Like, I don't think, like, usually it's like mild, medium, spicy, hot, or whatever. Like, you can never usually just get like not spicy. Like, that's not a thing. Like, the spices they use, they're just naturally spicy, you know? So oh my goodness, I'm so sorry, everybody. That was probably quite aggressive. Quite aggressive. I want to get into trying like more like a dishes from like Europe and overseas, and like I just want to do more. Like, I don't know. Like, also I'd love to try some like there's this lady in downtown. She makes I can't remember, something African cuisine. And every time I see her food, she does like oxtails, the fufu, everything. Oh, it looks amazing. I need to try that. I feel like it's Mary's. I can't remember. It looks so good though. Oh my god, I'm getting full. Whew. I think I just need to undo my pants. I think that's my main problem here. And I can't touch my pants because my hands are filthy. So dirty. So dirty. Piece of chicken. The chicken's so tender, you literally just break it off. If you don't like finger eating videos, you should know that before you clicked. It's Indian food. Not all Indian food, but like most of it. Most of it. I don't even know. I don't even know if I can attempt. Absolutely not. My pants are tucked into my shirt. Shit. No, what it is oh my god. I can't remember. I was reading up on this. I believe it's cooked with some spinach and stuff. That's why it's like kind of like a browny green color. Some of the colors I've seen, some of the pictures I've seen online too are much more vibrant green. I think it just depends who's making it, to be honest. But a lot of them I've seen was darker, like this one. The chicken. I'm taking little pieces of NAAN. I need to save some if I'm eating it for tomorrow. Oh, it's warm. Like, it's still so hot. Like, the heat of it. Not like the spiciness. I mean, it's spicy, but like, it's like hot. Like, it holds the heat hella good. And guys, I'm low-key getting full already. I think it's because, like, I do this every time to myself. I talk about this all the time. I'm just too hungry. And then I go too ham too quickly. Plus, my pants are so tight around my waist right now. Yeah. There's no room for food babies, and there's definitely a food baby. So. It's so good, guys. I'm just in disbelief. Oh, this place is called NAAN and Curry, if anybody was wondering. I don't know where they have establishments, so. Where I'm from, they have 2 in my province. So. Might be some other places. Or like in the middle of Canada or somewhere where it's more popular, maybe? I don't know. I feel like the Indian culture where I'm from, though, is very strong. So, I don't think that's a problem. We have a lot of Indian places around here, actually. Quite a few. But some I've heard are, like, all right. And then that's just, like, Chinese food, too. There's, like, so... But, like, the Chinese food around here is, like, American-style Chinese food. It's, like, not good Chinese food. You know what I mean? So, I need to find a good Chinese place around here, too. Like, an actual, like, Chinese cuisine. Not, like, sweet and sour chicken balls. Like, anyways. If you know, you know. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. What do I want to do? I have one more piece of NAAN. I need to save it for tomorrow. Being a piggy. Being a piggy. I was gonna do a NAAN poll, but it didn't work out for me. I want to get a piece of chicken. You can hear it. Oh, it's a good bite. Look at the chicken in there. Oh. Guys, it's so good. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so full today. I think these pants are killing me. They're coming off. I should have just not worn pants. Would have been the better decision. I'm like, do I want to have a bite of my other samosa? Do I want to save it for tomorrow? I'll just eat another piece of chicken. So I lied. I got another piece again. This was my last piece, though. Last bite. So freaking good, guys. Like, literally so good. Got one little mini samosa left. Got a little bit of this left. I actually ate a lot of that. That's halfway down the dish. It was so good, though. I ate one of my full NAANs. I actually ate way too much NAAN. This is all I have left of my other one. Whatever. I guess I'm going to be eating that like a soup tomorrow. Oh, my hip is killing me. I want more. I'm not even hungry. Is that good? You ever just like not even hungry and keep stopping yourself for no reason? That's me right now. Thanks for eating with me, everybody. I'm so upset you guys aren't eating the same food I'm eating because I know you're jealous, and this is amazing. So, you know what you need to do? Go get yourself a good Indian restaurant and freaking stick to it, because that's what I'm going to be doing. Because this, and it's not even that far from me. It's like right beside actually my favorite sushi place. So it kind of goes hand in hand. My leg is falling asleep right now. Okay. I'm going to close off this video. My leg is so asleep. You know when it like tickles? Because it's like, it's going all the way up my leg. What a great way to end the video. Anyways, no laughing, guys. No laughing, okay. I love you guys. Thank you so much for eating with me. I'll see you next week. Comment, like, subscribe down below. We're soon to 750, so let's get that. Let's get that. Oh, my leg. Okay, I love you guys. Have a great one. I'll see you next video. Bye, guys.